Hello, here's a very quick video about getting rid of an error that you may have, especially after the 1903 update. If you look in Event Viewer under Application on Windows logs, you might see an awful lot of entries for this. It says Event ID 455, source is ESENT, and you get SVC host TILEREPOSITORYS an error while opening a log file. These were taken saved logs just to collect a few together, so they happen fairly regularly. I don't know if it's every reboot, but nonetheless you might get a lot of these appearing in your event logs. So here's how you get rid of it. What you do is you navigate to the following folder. You go to C, Windows, System32, Config, System Profile, App Data, Local, saying yes to any prompts that crop up about permissions and things. And then in that folder you might notice that there isn't a folder called Tile Data Layer. Create it and then go into it and create a folder called Database, and then that's it. These files here are created at some point after the folder path is created and the error stops. I don't know what it is. If you know what it is because you've googled it or something, then stick that in the comments to help people. But that's all you do. So you make sure the path C, Windows, System32, Config, System Profile, App Data, Local, Tile Database, Tile Data Layer database exists, and if that path exists, the error then stops and you don't get any more of those entries, and it tidies up your Event Viewer application log rather nicely. That's it really. Any questions, any comments, stick them in the comments. Like and subscribe, that will be helpful. And thanks for watching.